Antonio,
Yeah.
hey, can you see me? Can you see my face right now while I'm playing the music or not? I'm just
Yeah, I can see your face while you're playing music.
okay. Can you see my face? Let me see while I'm. How about now? Can you see my face now, Antonio? Or am I frozen?
You are frozen.
Okay, thanks. That's all I want to know.
Okay.
All right, guys, I'm checking your work. Let's see what you guys got. Pear Deck wasn't working yesterday. Remember that? Okay, I gotta stop presenting the Minecraft to you guys. All right. Um. Okay, let's see what you guys got. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this yet, but mm, mm, okay, we're not close. -4/5. Ooh, close. So I'm not sure you got that. Okay, you got to find the slope, which is right. Oh, is this one right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got a correct answer right here. Here's one correct answer. Yes, you can do this to find the slope, but you also have to find the y-intercept. But also you can just count down, right? What's my rise? I go down 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you know how to get the slope. There you go, -3/4 plus 2. This is it. Negative y equals -3/4 x plus 2. That's the answer. Let me show you guys how to do this. It's important you know how to do this. Super important, obviously. Okay. So to write an equation for this, you guys please, please, please draw this. If you want to do good on this test, which is tomorrow, just draw this, okay? Draw this out. 0, 2, and 4, -1. Draw it out. And you can use this for your notes. So we want to do our rise over our run. So how far down do we go? How far across? Remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. You got to do it in that form, where m is the slope. It's called slope-intercept form. And b is the y-intercept. Well, what's the slope? The slope is the rise over the run, but I'm going down. So it's going to be negative. So you count the squares. 1, 2, 3 down. I go -3 down. I go from here, I go 1, 2, 3, 4 over. So my slope is -3 over 4. And my y-intercept is where it crosses right here at 2. 1, 2. See, it's at 2. Where this is 0. Y-intercept is at 2. We'll write that as b. So our equation is y equals -3/4 x plus 2.
Can you show me how you got 2 again?
It's just where it crosses this point right here. Where it crosses the y-axis. Look at 1, 2.
Okay, thank you.
And you might be able to see it better here. Where you guys? Okay. Nope, not that one. Now I'm all lost in all my windows here. Oh, there you are. So you can see here, wherever it crosses the y-axis, that's the number. It's at 2. Like here. Oh, let's go with. I mean, let's do another. Let's do another one. I was going to show you another one. Those of you who are okay. Wait. Okay, let's look at this one real quick. We did this yesterday, but why don't you guys do this one? Write an equation for this one because no one got that last one, so we got to do this one again. Write an equation for this one here. Okay. Where I'm going to take roll. Can you hear? Is the music annoying? I'm sorry. Let me. So now this, because it's crossing here at -3, that's going to be the -3 is going to be my B. And then how far up and how far over is your y-intercept? So write the equation for that. Okay, write the equation for that one. I'm going to take roll. Elias Arroyo.
Here.
Crystal Apentecal. Rosa Balderas.
Here.
Antonio Cervantes.
Here.
Edith J. Borges.
Here.
Sherlyn Coronado. Naomi Cortez.
Here.
Abigail Gonzalez. Luis Gonzalez.
Here.
Octavio Guerra.
Here.
David Guzman. Alberto Juarez Arenas.
Here.
Angelina Liu.
Here.
Crystal Magallanes.
Here.
Daniel Mejia.
Here.
Edgar Mejia.
Here.
Leilani Mendoza.
Here.
Jose Mina. Noel Munoz. Elias Ortega.
I'm here.
Angelina Rodriguez.
Here.
Austin Rodriguez.
Here.
Nicholas Rodriguez.
Here.
Olivia Sandoval.
Here.
Rosie Serrato.
Here.
Devin Solis. Italia Solorio.
Here.
Leatali Tuatama. Andy Tumamate.
Here.
Quinlan Wilson. Leilani Zavala.
Here.
Okay, let's do this again. Here's who I have absent. Crystal Ayapatakal, Sherlyn Coronado, David Guzman, Jose Mina, Noel Munoz, Elias Ortega, Rosie Serrato, Devin Solis, Leatali Tuatama, Quinlan Wilson. Crystal Ayapatakal, are you there? Sherlyn Coronado. David Guzman. Jose Mina. Noel Munoz.
Here.
Elias Ortega. Rosie Serrato.
Here.
Devin Solis. Leotali Tuatama. Quinlan Wilson. Okay, let me say this again one more time. A lot of people absent today, it looks like. Chris Ayapatakal, Charlene, David, Jose, Elias, Ortega, Rosie, Devin, Leotali, Quinlan. Are any of those people here?
I'm here.
Chris Ayapatakal, Charlene Coronado, David Guzman, Jose Mina, Elias Ortega, Rosie Sarato, Devin Solis, Leotali Tuatama, Quinlan Wilson. Any of those people here?
Rosie's here.
Rosie's here. Okay, Rosie Sarato. Got you, Rosie. Anyone else? Crystal, Charlene, David, Jose, Elias, Devin, Leotali, Quinlan. All absent. Okay. It's Crystal Ayapatakal and Elias Ortega. Okay. All right, let me see what you guys got. Hopefully, see, a lot of you are responding to this. I don't know. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look at what you guys got. Okay, 6 fourths x minus 3. We go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my slope. We can reduce that though, and the minus 3 is right there. So reduce, because multiple choice, it's going to be reduced to 3 halves, but that's good. 4/5 looks like we miscounted here. You want to count the squares, the slope. 6/4 x. It's going to be positive because it's going up. From left to right, it goes up. But this is good. And make sure you have the x there. You need the x. Okay. Okay. This same thing here. 3 halves. Make sure you have the x. There you go. Write that x in there. Perfect. Perfect. Got to get that x. And same thing here. Write the x in. Okay, good. The ones who are doing it are getting it. There you go. 3 halves x minus 2. It's a 3. It's crossing at 3 there. Just where it crosses there. I think you guys, when you see, here we go. This one's correct. Those of you who are writing it out, see, you're seeing what you need to do. The x goes kind of on the side there, but you know, I think you saw the multiple choice, you would get it right. Okay, this is good. Not much space. This is correct though. Very good. Okay, 3/4 x. Make sure it's a minus 3. Probably can't fit it in there. It's a minus because it's at minus 3. Okay, so here we go. Here's how I do it. Right? Remember, it's y equals mx plus b. My rise over my run. I go up, count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I go over 1, 2, 3, 4. And it crosses the y-axis at negative 3. So my equation is going to be y equals rise 6 over run 4 x minus 3. But 6/4 can be reduced. They're both divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. I can divide this by 2. I can divide this by 2. Y equals 3 halves x minus 3. This is the answer that will show up on your multiple choice, okay? All right, I'm going to move on. Are there any questions? I'm going to get rid of this in 10 seconds. Okay, here we go. Let's look at this next one. So that was what we did yesterday. There's the answer. Y equals 3 x minus 3. Remember, the minus 3 is where it crosses here at the y-axis. So whatever the y is, 1, 2, negative 3, okay? Anyway. Okay. Okay. Whoops. Okay, write an equation for this in slope-intercept form. So find the slope first for this, okay? Find the slope. Remember, if you need help, and here's my y-intercept, negative, because it's 0. My y-intercept is -5, so that's pretty straightforward. But remember, for this, you're going to need to go y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, okay, to find the slope. Actually, let me write, what are my 2 points? I have 0, -5, and I have 8, -5. I just wanted to write those down, okay? So, all right, and again, you call this point 1, this point doesn't matter. That one point 1, that one point 2. Okay, so go ahead and first find the slope, and then you got to put it in slope-intercept form. You guys can look at the pair deck. I don't know if you guys can hear this music, but I put a poll out there. You can answer it real quick while you're doing the problem. Okay, I'm going to take a look at what you guys got. Make sure it has a slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b. Okay, I got one correct answer. Yeah, okay, good. I got a couple of correct. Oh, good. Wow.
You're not presenting.
What?
You're not presenting.
No, I know. I'm looking at myself. But I'll present now. Let me show you what I got. Actually, no, wait. I don't want to present quite yet. I want to look
You
at
not hear the music either.
Oh, okay. I mean, I could put it up, but then I don't think it'll be able to hear me. I can't. Rosa, is that better? But I mean, ultimately, I can go like this. I think you could hear it like this better. Ooh, whoa. But then I can't show my other stuff. All right. And that makes my computer lag, though. You guys probably can't see me. Okay. So let me show you how I got this. What do I got here? I'm turning it off because I got to show my. Sorry, I can't think. Okay, here we go. Here's how you do this. Okay, so let's do the y2 minus y1. So we have y2. So this is x, this is y, this is x, this is y, y2. -5 minus -5 all over x2, 8, minus x1, 0, equals, make sure you add the opposite. -5 plus 5, they're both opposite, so you subtract, so it becomes 0 over 8, which equals 0. And now we want it to be, so my slope, this is my slope. So for y equals mx plus b, my slope is y equals slope is 0, x, and then since I have a 0 here, my b is -5. Whenever my x is 0, that's my b. Y equals 0x minus 5. And 0 times x is nothing. So I don't need that here. I'm just going to cross that out because 0 is 0. So it's just y equals -5. And that's your equation. All right. I'm going to show, okay. Are there any questions?
No.
All right. I'm going to go rid of this in 10 seconds unless there's any more questions. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go to the next. So anyway, y equals -5 is ultimately, some of you put y equals 0, x minus 5. That's correct, but multiple choices is what's going to show up. Okay. Are these lines parallel or perpendicular? Are these lines parallel or perpendicular? Okay. So we have 2, -4, and -2, 2. And I have 3, 0. And I have 6, 2. Okay, remember we go y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I know I'm not presenting. Okay. But solve for the slopes for these, right? Solve for the slopes. Let's call this point 1 and this point 2. This is x, this is y, this is x, this is y. And then you solve for the slope for this one. Point 1, point 2. This is x, this is y, this is x, this is y. Do, 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 do. When does period 3 start? That's what I want to know. When does this class end, actually? I know I'm presenting, but I want to see when this class ends. I always forget when this class ends. BELL. Okay. Bell schedule. This class is going to end at, I'll probably forget. Maybe you guys can remind me after I see this. We end at 10:38. Oh, I could have told you that. 10:38. Okay. All right. Am I presenting still? I don't know. Am I presenting still?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's do the orange. Y2, 2 minus y1, -4. A lot of us, you got to make sure you change this to positive, positive. x2, -2, x1, -2. So positive, positive. This becomes 6 over negative, skip, changes to a positive to a negative, -4, which reduces, they're both divisible by 2. So let's reduce it so that we can see. Divisible by 2. So this becomes negative 3 over 2. Okay? Now, this one here, y2 minus y1 is 2, y2, y1 minus 0 over x2, 6 minus 3. So 2 minus 0 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3, and so we have 2/3 is my slope. So what are they? Parallel or perpendicular?
Perpendicular.
Yes, because they are opposite. They're opposite and they're flipped. So those lines are perpendicular. Okay. Are there any questions on that?
No.
Okay. Anyone else? If you have questions, let me know. And then we're going to flip this problem. We're going to do another one. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next one. So they are perpendicular. Okay. Here's the last one. Let's write an equation for this. Write an equation for this. Now, write this down. Write these down. And because you have this on your test. There's a test question. I just saw it. There's a test question that looks like this. Okay, so the way you could look at this is just like the one we did before at the beginning. We could just write it like this, 0, 7. And this one is 3, 1. And now we just find the slope, and here's my y-intercept, plug in 7. Okay, so go ahead and see if you can figure out that equation there. Figure out that. I'm going to check it out on the Pear Deck. Write the equation, okay? Hmm. Have you like, oh, some of you like that music, so you guys can see. Okay. I wonder how many of you are like, I don't see a lot of responses. I could see who's responding and not responding. I don't know if you're just like totally lost. So I see we got the slope, but just add the 7 for the y-intercept. Equals -6. I don't know. Okay. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay, so look, y2 minus y1. Let's call this point 1. Let's call this point 2. This is x, this is y. This is x, this is y. And so we go, I'll write it right here. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is 1 minus y1, 7. Look, I'm doing it in different colors even. X2 is 3 minus x1, 0 equals, let's do the skip, change. Skip this, changes to positive, changes to negative. Skip this, changes to positive, even though it doesn't really matter. 0 is not negative or positive. Different sign.
Why do you change it to positive?
What?
So why do you change it to positive?
It's just easier to subtract. You don't need to. Like if you know that 1, like before is 1 minus 7 and 3 minus 0, you know that 1, as long as you get 1 minus 7 is going to be negative 6. But here I can see that there are different signs I subtract and I have more negatives. It's going to be negative 6. You still get the same answer, which you don't need to do. But that's what I showed at the beginning of the year. Sometimes it's less confusing for certain situations, and I'll show you that in just a second. But I get negative 2 as my slope. And so in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, y equals negative 2x is my slope, and my b is where my x is 0. It's going to be 7. That's my b. Whenever x is 0, that's my b. Whenever you see a 0, that becomes this last number there. It's a positive 7, so it's a positive 7. Now, to subtract, the reason why I do it, I think a best situation, so that's that. Are there any questions on that? Sometimes, if I say 7 minus negative 3, why do I change it to a plus? Okay. Can you tell me, I think, Noel, did you ask that? I think was it you, Noel?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me what 7 minus negative 3 is? If you can, you don't need to do it.
No, I don't know what it is.
Okay. Can you tell me, so if I say 7, now what I do is I change this to a plus, and then you change this sign. So I'm going to change this now to a plus, and you make this, instead of a negative, you make it a positive. Can you tell me what 7 plus 3 is?
Would it be negative 10?
Well, it's just 7 plus 3. It's just 10. So anyway, the negative makes it harder to see, but I think because even though you don't need this positive, it's just 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 minus negative 3 is the same as 7 plus 3. I think this is less confusing than that. If not, you don't need to change it. If you can tell that 7 minus negative 3 is 10, then boom. But I think that this helps. I always change subtraction to addition. You don't need to. All right. That's the last question. That's the last problem. Are there any questions for anyone?
No.
Tomorrow's a Friday, so remember Fridays we start a little bit later. Okay, so but be ready for your test. Your homework is due. Make sure you did all of your check your understandings. Check your grades to make sure you did all of your check your understandings. Okay? Because that's what's going to affect your grade. Okay? David Guzman, Rosie Serrato, Luis Gonzalez, Elias Arroyo, Abigail Gonzalez, Leitali Tuatama, Devin Solis, Elias Ortega. Turn your cameras on, please. Italia Solorio, Rosa Balderas. All right. Leitali, are you there? Abigail, are you there? All right, if you weren't here during
Yes, I am.
roll,
Sorry.
Abigail, okay. If you weren't here during roll, stay after class so I can mark you here. I marked you absent. Leatali, I don't even know if you're there. I marked you absent because I didn't see you before. So stay after class. Let me know that you're here. If you have questions, you can stay after class. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. Good luck. Study for that test. This was recorded, so you guys can do it. Bye, Octavio. You guys make sure you say bye to me. I feel sad. Bye, Antonio. Bye, Angelina. Louis. Bye, Angelina Rodriguez. Bye, Leilani. Bye, Octavio. Bye, Louise. Who knows when we're going to get back? Okay. Bye, Rosie. Bye, Olivia. All right. Who was here's who I've absent. If you're here, let me know. I have Chris Ayapatakal, Sherlyn Coronado, David Guzman, Jose
Here.
Mina, Elias Ortega, Devin Solis, Leatali Tuatama, and Quinlan Wilson. Say your name if you're here. I didn't. Someone said here. I don't know who that was.
David Guzman.
David
I'm here.
Guzman.
Elias Ortega.
Elias Ortega. Okay. Anyone else?
Leatali.
Leatali. There you are. You didn't answer. How come you didn't answer, Leatali? When I was calling on you.
I had my mic on and I was talking, but it was like really glitching.
Glitchy. Lagging.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Crystal, I got you here, Leatali. How many of you guys were late because you knew it was a minimum day?
I was late because of minimum day.
Okay.
Yeah, I was too.
Okay.
I needed to put my little brother in his class.
Okay. Well, I'm saying minimum day because, well, make sure you know when next class starts. I'll let you know in just a second. So here's how I've absent still though. Crystal Ayapatakal, Sherlyn Coronado, Jose Mina, Devin Solis, and Quinlan Wilson. Are any of you there?
I'm here. It's Devin Solis.
Solis. Sorry, I'm saying your name wrong. Sorry, Devin. Okay, so I have Crystal, Sherlyn, Jose, and Quinlan absent. Okay, do you guys know when next class starts? At 10:46. 10:46. Got it?
Yep.
Yeah, I got it. Bye, Sensei.
All right, see you guys. Italia, did I mark? I marked you here. Okay. Italia, are you there? Do you have a question? No.
There was some check your understandings that I have that say they're missing, but when I click on them, they say that they're unpublished and not yet available.
Oh, really? Which ones are they?
Hold on, let me check.
Bye, Mr. Sanchez.
All right. See you later, Elias. It's just probably my dates. I don't know if they're on.
It was the lesson 11.2.
11 point. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. All right. I'll take care of those. Don't worry about it. It's just my dates are all messed up.
Oh, okay.
So I'll fix those. I'm sorry about that. I have to like change the dates. But anyway, I'll take care of it. I'm taking care of it right now. 11.1, 11.2. So thank you so much for pointing that out.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, take care. All right, bye. Ow, ow, ow.
Is that like curry? Timer 14 minutes.
Where's Monkey for cinnamon?
It should be up there. Oh.
Showing that for this one. All right. Oh man, this is gross. Whoa. Tastes like dirt.
Oh no.
Oh. You cooking stuff. Oh, guys, it tastes that good. Whoa. No. No. You want to try it?
Can I try
You can try it, but it's gross.
it? It tastes like.
Oh. It tastes like dirt. You don't have to taste it. Ah. Well, You guys, let's do a 10-minute cleanup. Oh, dirt. Dirt smoothie. Oh. In fact, throw it in the garbage disposal. Don't be disgusted. Okay. Girls. Okay, listen. I got class in 10 minutes. All right, girls, come on. Get out of here. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Come on. Malia. Yeah. You don't like it. So we need help clean this kitchen. Everyone put your burritos away. Put the tortillas away. You want to grab me? You want? You dump that. You got to dump the boat meal. This is all the carrot full. I need silverware dried. Hey, so, no one, I don't know, we're trying to figure out if we wanted to talk on the truck party on Saturday.
Yes, we do.
For lunch, yeah. Well, you know, like, you want to invite friends, so, right? Saturday. Okay. So we might just invite those over. We could probably do that, I think, too, right? Would you work though?
I'm fine with the notice coming over, I just never know what to do when people like that. It feels rude to just go hold up in my own room. Well, they do that. It also feels weird to talk to them, so.
Yeah. Well.
Well, why do you go back when you know the meeting house
Well, that's true. Maybe you could go hang out with one of your friends. I go to their house. They can have tacos. Maybe we just have Ellie over, but Ellie, this outdoor mask is such a pain. Wait, can you put this in a container for me? Have one more jerk smoothie. Huh? What? Well, I'm on a special diet right now. I think I have like this is a super high fiber diet.
What do you like about food?
It's like super.
Is there anybody else what do you like?
It's like liquid.
Really? I thought fiber.
Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's not fiber. I don't know.
What do you like about this? Tell me about something I might like. I don't know what it is. Like solid. Well, you like about this food?
Yeah, same. Horrible.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Yeah, after you put that away, you clear everything off the shelf there. So our class and
I have class.
6 minutes.
Also 6 minutes, I think. Wait.
Goes
7?
the whole, yeah, there's a whole,
What time is it?
the whole counter. I like it.
So almost 5
Early at
minutes.
school, I prepare my lessons. I just go on the computer, talk to the teachers. Sometimes I walk around the school and pray a rosary. Well, no one can see me, of course.
I didn't know about that. But it is cute. Maybe it would be. There's like a document.
Leah, wipe the table, please. Nicoleta, what's your school stuff? Have you done your?
I'm going through my lecture that you called me.
Class started right now? Write that when you're done.
Okay. Put your hand on the pot. Super hot. The pot is cold. So that hot is Oh, that's not.
It's spiky.
That's not. Huh?
Yeah, it really is.
Everyone goes, if I can win, go to class, and just go to class. Huh?
Actually, you know what? No. I'll be fine. My teacher. The teacher like.
I'm sorry.
2 to 5 minutes late every class. What do you do?
What's the class do when you stop?
Wait.
Did your grade go up?
I still have an F.
Did you grade them?
Yes.
How low is your F? What
Like
percent?
it's 43.
Oh, like 30?
Yeah.
Oh.
There, I don't think he's graded. There's one last thing. You got to realize. What, with an F? What with an F? Washington. Like who?
How do you want F, Maria? You want F, you know?
Yeah.
Dude, and make sure your other classes, you're all caught up. You don't want this to happen too.
You're pretty close to each other.
Alright, I got your two classes.
Wait, you did
Alright, picture this. Way better.
We don't know about
Okay.
fruit.
You already should. Okay, Visa Layla. Okay, your literature. Literature, okay? We could do your literature. Okay, do your spell you see?
I'm not gonna be solid as a
Okay, well, do you have anything to do?
Yeah, I have science, but I gotta do something real quick. Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, I didn't know my computer was on. Wait. Micah, are you there? Kimberly?
Yes, I am.
All right, cool. We're cleaning the kitchen at our house.
Yeah, I can
Oh,
hear.
you could hear? You got a taste of the Sanchez household. It's crazy over here. I gotta go blow my nose. Let's see. Lily is here. Kimberly, Jada. Hi, Jada. Hi, Noah. Whew. What time is class starting? In a minute?
Pretty much.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Nikander. Is it cold at your house?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm freezing. I'm so cold. How are you, Kenji? Is it cold at your house?
No.
No? Man, I'm so cold. My wife likes to turn on the heater, but I'm too much of a cheapskate to turn on the heater. Plus, our heater doesn't work so well. Whew. Spring's going to be here soon. I can't wait. 10 days till spring. Am I recording this? Okay, let's see. Let me stop recording.